Hi, it's Martin. We're at 1285 Harrison. We're at a LINWOOD cedar home, and this LINWOOD home is very cool. It's got that classic LINWOOD look with the big high ceilings, lots of wood, lots of windows, and we're tucked into the forest on 0.44 of an acre. There's decks everywhere. There's a wraparound deck here. There's another deck off of the kitchen. There's a deck off the master. And this great property that's got a wraparound driveway. Here you drive in, you're right on level entry. And then the lower level has its own driveway as well. So, you know, it's kind of like having two living spaces in one house. It's a nice open concept because the kitchen's large, flows through to the dining room, and then it takes you right here into the living room, and you've got like all of this. This is a home kind of with a suite. The zoning doesn't allow a suite, but downstairs there's like a kitchenette area, great for a parent or if you've got a child staying at home that wants their own space. And we've got between 3 and 5 bedrooms, depending on how you set them up. Right now, we've got one here set up as a den. Another one is a large bedroom. And that used to be 2 bedrooms on the original plans, and they've turned it into 1. So you can take it back into 2. Master bedroom is on the 3rd floor with its ensuite, big walk-in closet. Bathroom here, and then downstairs again, it's kind of like a suite. And we're under $600,000. On this 22-year-old LINWOOD cedar home on 0.44 of an acre. That's a buy.